BMW has unveiled the 2025 M2 CS, a high-performance, lightweight version of the M2 Coupe at the prestigious Concorso d'Eleganza Via d'Este. This could be the last version of BMW's compact sports car powered solely by a combustion engine. Under the hood, the M2 CS retains the 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine, but now delivers 530 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, 650 Newton-meters. The only transmission option is an 8-speed automatic, as BMW determined the 6-speed manual couldn't handle the extra torque. The M2 CS rockets from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. Weight-saving measures include a carbon-fiber roof and trunk lid, bringing the curb weight down by 66 pounds compared to the regular M2. The suspension has been fine-tuned with stiffer engine mounts, upgraded springs and dampers, and an 8mm lower ride height. The steering, brakes, and differentials also receive performance upgrades, while an optional lightweight titanium M performance exhaust enhances the sound. Visually, the M2 CS features subtle refinements, including a revised grille, bumper air vents, gold-finished lightweight alloy wheels, and a distinctive ducktail spoiler for added high-speed stability. Available in 4 paint options: black sapphire, Portimao blue, Brooklyn gray, and velvet blue, the CS exudes an aggressive yet refined look. Inside, it boasts carbon bucket seats with M Performance accents, an Alcantara-wrapped M-Spec steering wheel, and CS-branded trim. Despite its performance focus, luxury features remain, including a heated steering wheel, 3-zone climate control, a head-up display, and a Harman Kardon sound system. Pricing for the 2025 BMW M2 CS starts at $98,600 in the US, plus a $1,175 destination fee. In the UK, it is priced at £86,800, while in Australia, it costs $172,900 Australian dollars before on-road costs. With added power, reduced weight, and enhanced handling, the M2 CS reinforces BMW's legacy of producing exhilarating performance cars.